What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Dennis, and you're watching Moto Vlogs. In this video, I'm going to be quickly doing the unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini that I recently purchased on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I've paid for this mic, and this is an honest review that I'm going to be giving you about the DJI Mic Mini. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I install it with my helmet and what is the sound quality that I get when I pair the DJI Action 4 with the DJI Mic Mini. So if you are into motor vlogging, this video will be helpful for you. Stay tuned till the end of this video, and if you stay till the end of this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video to all your motor vlogging friends because this video is going to be amazing. So we'll quickly start the unboxing. This is the packaging that I received, the DJI Mic Mini. Finally, there you go. This is the DJI Mic Mini. The packaging did not come as neat and expected. Nowadays, Amazon is not paying attention on the packaging. Few other items also that I've ordered from Amazon, they did not come packaged very nicely. And if you can see, this is how it has come. This wasn't there in any kind of a cardboard box. So it has got a little bit damaged, if you can see over here. All right, so let's do the unboxing. So you get this pouch. Let's open the pouch and see what is there in this. This is how it looks. The DJI logo. This is the pouch. Pouch is pretty nice, premium kind of a feel. So I have just purchased the transmitter and I get the charging dock along with this. So this is the charging dock. I'll just quickly open this and show it to you. I did not get the entire transmitter receiver, which was around 16,000. So this is the charging dock. It's pretty small, if you can see. Just the first segment of my fingertip. This is the USB to C type charging cable that you get. This is the dead cat that you will plug it to the microphone, and you get another dead cat. So there are two dead cats that you get. One is this whitish color and the other one is this gray color. And finally you have the DJI Mic Mini. Look at how small this mic is. It's really portable, so you can carry this along with you everywhere. Like the DJI Mic Mini 2, I was looking at that as well. First of all, it was a little bit expensive. Secondly, it was a little bit bigger in size. Just take a look how small this is. It's my thumb. How small and convenient this is. You also get a magnet over here. So what I can do is I can just place the magnet over here, and there you go. The microphone is connected over here. You can also put it along with this clip. There is a clip over here, so I can just place it like this. So I can place it on my t-shirt like this. If I'm wearing a kind of a jacket, then I can place it inside, so this will not be visible. Very nice. This magnet is also just clings on to the clip over here, so you will not lose this magnet. Very well engineered. I got this in white in color. I wanted the black actually, but the black was not available on Amazon, so I settled for whatever was available. White is also looking pretty good. This is how it looks like. I will connect this to my DJI Action 4 and then show you the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini. So this is the dead cat that you get, and I think what you have to do is just plug it on top of it like this. I need to figure out how to plug this. There you go. It's plugged in. So you'll get that click kind of a sound. You just got to press it in, and that's how it looks. When you put this like this, it should look something like this. So I have connected the mic to the DJI Action 4, and this is the sound quality that I'm getting from this Mic Mini. Now let me remind you that there is a construction work going on in my building, and on the top, on the terrace, there is some hammering and some work going on, so I can hear a lot of noise in the background. But let me know if you can hear the background noise as well. So hopefully this should sort out things for all the background noise and for all the motor vloggers. So this is the power button. Just going to turn it on by pressing it. So you can see the green light blinking. Now what I will do is that I will connect this to my DJI Action 4. So there's this link button. I think I got to press on that. Wireless mic. So now you guys can see that the mic is connected. It's showing blue in color. And I think there are different modes in this where you can control intensity of noise cancellation as well. So the monitor volume is at 50 right now, and I can take it down to 27 as well. But let's keep it at 50. LED I want it on. Low cut, auto power off. I don't want the auto power off. I want to turn it off by myself. Clipping control, yes, I want that. I think that's about it. So the good thing about this is that whenever you turn, now once it's paired and whenever you turn the mic on, your mic will automatically get connected with your DJI Action 4. So that is a good part about this. And then I want to see how to adjust the control levels for noise cancellation. It's showing the battery power is at 46%. Oh, wonderful. I didn't know this. So if you click this link button, it will automatically start recording on your camera. So this acts like a remote to your DJI Action also. That's wonderful. So if I click this, it will stop recording. Oh, baller. This is damn cool, huh? So this is the remote. I just click this once, it will start recording. If I press it again, it stops recording. Damn cool. Now we will connect it to my helmet and see what is the sound quality that I get with the DJI Mic Mini. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Dennis, and you're watching Moto Vlogs. So today I'm going for a quick breakfast ride to a place called Food Hub, roughly about 65 kilometers away from where I stay, and I'm going along with the Triumph motorcycle group. So the first place that we are going to be meeting is Fountain City Hotel, which is about 17 kilometers from where I stay. So it's showing me right now it's going to take me about 15 minutes to reach Fountain City. Also in this video, as I promised you, I'm going to be giving you a quick review about my DJI Mini mic. So right now I'm riding at about 60 kilometers per hour, 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, and this is the sound that you're getting out from the DJI Mic Mini. So let me know in the comment section below if this is a good mic for motovlogging setup. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends who are motovlogging, or maybe you want to gift your husband a birthday gift, an anniversary gift. This could possibly be in your list. That's all I'm saying. So guys, if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified for all my future videos, and share this video to as many motovlogging friends that you have, and hopefully this video will be helpful for them as well. Until next time, take care now. Bye bye then. This is your host Dennis signing off. Cheers.